Hi, everyone. So we're going to talk about what it is that we can do to make a copy of a document and then share it with our HiCap teacher and then even find it later. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to our studio class. And if we go into our modules, we can find our class activities and assignment for the week. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here on Sample Invention Presentation, and that will take you to a thing that says Make a Copy. So you're going to click on Make a Copy, and then you'll notice it says Copy of Sample Invention Presentation. So the document that we actually made is called Sample Invention Presentation. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right up here to the title, and sometimes some of you guys actually have hidden the menu, so you won't be able to see that. So if you click over here, see the little down arrow, that will show you the title again, okay? So we're going to come over here, we're going to select that, and we're going to type our school and our name. So let's say I'm at Lewis and Clark, and then this is test student. So that's just the account that I'm using, okay? So this is just where we're going to say, okay, my school that I'm at, and then my name so that my teacher can easily find my project. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the share button. So I'm going to share this with my teacher, and I'm going to send it to them. That way, the teacher gets the notification, hey, so-and-so is working on this project, okay? Now, to find your invention, after you've done this, you don't ever do this again. So don't come back here and click on this, because it's going to have you make another copy and another copy, and all of the work that you've done won't be there, okay? But if you go into your Google Drive, you guys will sometimes see this. It's called the waffle, okay? And then you can look at the drive, and it will, oh look, it showed up right there, okay? So sometimes it'll be right there at the top. Sometimes, depending on how you have your layout, you might have to scroll through and actually find that document, okay? Just remember that you titled it school and then your name, all right? Okay, guys, have a good day.